Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Vegetable ramen with mushrooms and bok choy. Your college diet has received an upgrade. This time, customize your bowl of ramen with fresh ingredients like shiitake mushrooms, snow peas, and bok choy. Ingredients: 3 scallions, 1 tablespoon, rice vinegar, 1/2 c. cilantro sprigs, 6 ounces ramen noodles, thinly sliced red chili, to taste, snow peas, thinly sliced lengthwise, 5 tablespoon low-sodium tamari or soy sauce, 4 ounces snow peas, thinly sliced lengthwise, 6 ounces shiitake mushroom caps, thinly sliced, 2 soft medium boiled eggs, peeled and halved, 1 3 ounces pieced ginger, peeled and very thinly sliced, 2 heads baby bok choy, stems thinly sliced and leaves halved lengthwise. Directions: 1. Slice white parts of scallions and place in large pot with ginger and 8 cups water. Bring to a boil. 2. Stir in tamari, then add noodles and cook per package directions, adding mushrooms and bok choy 3 minutes after adding noodles. Remove from heat and stir in snow peas and vinegar. 3. Divide soup among 4 bowls and place 1 egg half on top of each. Slice remaining scallion greens and serve over soup along with cilantro and red chili. If you like our channel, share with your friends, press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.